Okay, so I've only got an AR6200 and this is bound to my transmitter that's over there, and I'm just powering it from a switch to a little beck from a spare old LiPo. So what you can see here is the first wire on the left is power, which is red in the middle and brown at the bottom. The next one is one that goes to the beast. So I'll just follow that one, by the way. The first one, you can see it goes to my switch and then to the battery via the beck. Okay, so that's where the power is going into this test system. So the next one along is one of the full connection wires from the receiver to the Beast X, MicroBeast. I think I followed that right. But anyway, I did follow it because they're all going there from now on, but I'll just carry on explaining. And you can see that the brown's at the bottom, the red's in the middle, and the orange signal wire is at the top. On that power supply on the left hand side, the orange wire does nothing. It's just basically red in the middle, brown at the bottom. And I've orientated it this way so it's the same way as the connections would be going into yours, but obviously this is a top plug-in type receiver, so it's not quite the same. Then the next one is your next full solid 3-wire lead that goes to the Beast X, MicroBeast. Stop calling it Beast X, it's a MicroBeast. And then you get on to your 3 signal only leads. So these have only one wire, and they are a bit faded probably due to the age now, but it goes, I think, orange, brown, red. I think that's orange. Yeah, it's kind of an off orange, but orange, brown, red. Okay, and they're all on the top pin in line with the 2 main leads to the MicroBeast, which are orange. So that's because they're all signal pins and they're all in the same place. And if you turn it side on, you can see that those 3 at the end have no... I'll try and get a better view. Have no positive and negative, it's just the signal wire. And those 3 individual channels all merge into one lead at this end. There's your off orange, red and brown. And you can see the off orange is at the top of the MicroBeast, and the nice 2 good orange from the higher quality MicroBeast leads. Nothing to do with the quality, they're all MicroBeast leads, it's just age, or I've picked 2 good ones or whatever. Don't know why that one's so funny coloured, but it's definitely the orange one. I'd have to look in the manual. I think it's orange, brown, red. Anyway, you'll know. But it's the one that it's the triple one, and it goes into a single port on the MicroBeast. That one that's got so many names, it's ridiculous. So that's it. You should have 3 individual signal pins all in a row, and they all plug into the one that's marked signal. And your next 2 main leads, your triple leads, should have orange on the signal pin on the receiver. I think it's marked S on the AR620, and then your power lead. And the reason the MicroBeast is powered is because it gets power delivered from the receiver down those 2 main leads, which have a central positive and a bottom negative as well. So both of those leads feed power to that. And that's about it. That one's initialized, as you can see, with a a blue gain status. No servos in, but I could plug some in, but not much point really, other than you'd also have the signal pins of them at the top too. Okay doke, cheers, good luck.